Hello everyone, today we have a 2022 Subaru Impreza Limited. This has all-wheel drive, and that is running smooth as could be. So I'm going to go ahead and close this up and take you for a tour. See, it does have fog lights up front and LED headlight surrounds, alloy wheels. And by the way, if any of the LEDs on this vehicle appear to flicker, that's the refresh rate of the camera that does that. There's your trunk space. You do have a spare under there. There's your cargo cover that's retractable. And a sneak peek of that black leather interior. This one is also equipped with Blindspot monitor. It does have a Rockford Fosgate sound system. There's your VIN right there, and I will upload some still photos as well. Okay, and as you look down here, you'll see that it has 18,121 miles on this vehicle. Got paddle shifters right here, stereo controls, your push to talk, trip computer toggles down here, and then you're going to have your cruise controls, push button ignition, and you have your extension of gauges over here. And you'll notice that it has Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, these apps, and that is what I use for navigation in my daily driver. And so as you come over here, you've got your radio, which is AM, FM, Sirius XM, and then you're going to have Bluetooth, and you also have an auxiliary and USB ports down here you could plug into, and then also a 12-volt port there. And then you've got your comfort controls, your shifter, your heated front seats, cup holders, and then your key fob and your handbrake. And then you have additional stowage down in here, along with more power sources and USB ports. As you come up here, you're going to have your map reading lights and your lane departure sensor. And then about wraps that up. If you want to see the backup camera, then we can pop in reverse. It does have an HD backup camera with guides and sensors. This particular vehicle does have a branded title. There was an impact here up front that affected from the front driver quarter panel to the front passenger quarter panel. The airbags deployed, but there was no structural damage, so we got it all fixed up. And it has passed the 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com. In the spirit of full disclosure, here is a copy of the original label for your vehicle, so you can see what it was equipped with straight out of the factory.